Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Corner by Kay. In today's shadowing practice, we are going to practice interrogative sentences. In other words, we are going to ask questions. In this episode, we'll be covering Level 1 question types. So stay till the end to learn all the types of questions and when and how to use them. Let's get started. Relax, listen, speak. Let's begin with what questions. What is your name? What is your name? What do you do? What do you do? What time is it? What time is it? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What happened yesterday? What happened yesterday? Wonderful. Now let's move on to where questions. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where did you buy this bag? Where did you buy this bag? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? Here's a quick question for you. Where do you find difficulty in speaking English? Please let me know in the comments. The next video will be on it, okay? Next, let's practice when questions. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? When does the movie start? When does the movie start? When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Great! Now let's learn why questions. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? Why do you like English? Why do you like English? Why is the door open? Why is the door open? Why does she look upset? Why does she look upset? Let's continue with who questions. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Who called you? Who called you? Who lives next door? Who lives next door? Who made this cake? Who made this cake? Who is waiting outside? Who is waiting outside? Now let's practice how questions. How are you? How are you? How do you go to work? How do you go to work? How was your day? How was your day? How did you learn English? How did you learn English? How long does it take? How long does it take? Great job! I hope you're repeating every sentence with me. Let's continue. Next, we'll look at which questions. Which color do you like? Which color do you like? Which bus goes to the station? Which bus goes to the station? Which book is yours? Which book is yours? Which dress should I wear? Which dress should I wear? Which way is the hospital? Which way is the hospital? Good job. Now let's move on to do questions. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Do you play cricket? Do you play cricket? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Next, let's practice does questions. Does your mother cook well? Does your mother cook well? Does he speak English? Does he speak English? Does this train stop here? Does this train stop here? Does she like chocolate? Does she like chocolate? Does your phone have a charger? Does your phone have a charger? Finally, let's finish with did questions. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Did they reach home safely? Did they reach home safely? And did she call you? And did she call you? Did you enjoy the trip? Did you enjoy the trip? Did it rain last night? Did it rain last night? That's it for today's shadowing practice. I hope you enjoyed learning these daily use English questions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the English Corner by Kay, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future English lessons. I'd also love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, which topic would you like to practice next? Your suggestion could be featured in one of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, believe in yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.